This is the home screen of the application. What this application pretty much does is edit music that you have downloaded on your device. Pretty much what you want to do with the music. So here you can merge the music together, you can cut the music, you can boost the sound of the music, you can change the voice of the music. Any one of these that you want to do to the music that you have downloaded on the device. Some of them you may need to watch an ad to unlock them. However, once you watch the ad, you'll be able to use them. So, for example, you may see a little gift box with a play button there. That means you're gonna need to watch an ad to get access to that feature. Down here as well, you have the audio editing tools which you can use as well. Some of them, as you can see, remove vocals will pretty much need a subscription. You also have some other editing tools as here as well as it relates to videos. You can see here, you can trim the video, you can extract the audio to video option there. That's where you can compress the video as well. But you need to watch an ad to unlock that feature. If I scroll down, you also see some more other features which I cannot use as well. So a lot of features, guys. So it's gonna be hard for me to go through all of these features, but they pretty much explain themselves. And the ones that do require a subscription, you will see the crown icon over them. As you can see, remove vocals. How to get a subscription to remove ads? All you have to do is just tap on the crown icon down here. Once you tap on the crown icon here, you can see all the prices for your subscription, your monthly subscription, your yearly subscription, and also your lifetime subscription. So very, very easy application to use. All depends upon what you want to do. And yeah, that's it. So if I missed anything at all, or you need any explanation or any help as it relates to any feature on this application, do comment below. I'd love to help you guys. See you in the next one.